Veena from Pat a Cake, the channel that's about baking and much more. Here's where you'll find quick and tasty recipes for new cooks and those with less time to spend in the kitchen. And if you're looking for authentic ingredient proportions and all the essential instructions for each recipe, you've come to the right place. Okay then, let's get cracking with today's recipe. Welcome back. Today we are making a Goan style chili fry. This is a versatile recipe, and later on I'll tell you how you could replace the mushrooms with sweet corn, and for a non-veg variation with prawns or even Goan chillis or sliced cocktail sausages. This is a quick stir-fry kind of dish that will be ready in minutes, and we'll see how quick right now at Pat a Cake. The ingredients we'll need are button mushrooms, sliced onion, sliced potato, green chilies, garlic, chili powder, salt, lime juice, oil, and some chopped coriander. This is 150 grams of button mushrooms that I had stored in the fridge 2 days ago. I had used a few mushrooms from the original package of 200 grams for something else. Fresh mushrooms will stay good in the fridge for around 4 to 5 days. But store them in a paper bag or plastic container lined with a paper towel. If using a plastic container, keep the lid partly open. Let's wash the mushrooms thoroughly at least twice in plenty of water. For using sweet corn in place of mushrooms, you could add some chaat masala to the ingredients. But if you're going to use prawns or chopped cocktail sausages, you could increase the onion a little and also add in a little turmeric powder. For Goan chillis, you could skip the chili powder and the lime juice. We'll now pat the mushrooms dry and then cut them into thick slices. Let's check some of the other ingredients. We'll need around 1 small and 1 medium-sized onion, 2 green chilies, 6 medium-sized cloves of garlic, chopped coriander, and a medium-sized potato. Let's chop the onions into thick slices, not lengthwise but the other way. The chilies should be slit lengthwise into 2 or 4 pieces each. I'm slitting them into 2 pieces. Let's chop the garlic finely. You could add 1 or 2 cloves more if you want to increase the taste of garlic. We'll now peel and chop the potato into thin slices. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's start making the chili fry. Here I have 1.5 tablespoons of oil heating up on a medium flame. Let's fry the sliced potato pieces in this till they're cooked and slightly browned. Let's take them off onto a plate. I've now added another 1.5 tablespoons of oil to the same pan. Let's saute the chilies in the oil and then fry the onions for just a minute or 2. We want the onion slices to be crunchy. I'll throw in the chopped garlic, saute this for a minute or so, and then add the mushrooms to the pan. These will need barely 3 minutes to cook. We'll keep stirring everything off and on, and then add in the fried potato and the salt. Let's mix everything well and then add the chili powder, and the juice of half a sour lime. Stir everything and then you could adjust the taste for more salt, chili powder or lime juice. Finally, let's stir in the chopped coriander and immediately turn off the heat. And here you have it, our tasty mushroom chili fry, ready to dig into and enjoy in minutes. Do give this easy recipe a shot. Hope you enjoyed today's video and do stop by again for yet another quick and tasty recipe. Till then, take care, happy cooking!